How to clear Pinterest history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the search icon at the bottom center of the screen. And once you're here, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. As you can see here, you will be able to see all of your search history. In order for you to delete one of them, you simply need to click on the X icon next to it and it will be gone. However, if you wanted to delete all of them, unfortunately, there's no way to do it at once, meaning that if you want to delete all of this, you simply need to do the same process multiple times, clicking on the X icon next to each search, and it's a very quick and simple way to delete all of your search history. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete your Pinterest search history. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.